What's up, guys? We got a 2022 Toyota Tundra. We already busted this guy's window, of course. Ransacked this truck looking for a gun or whatever the hell they were trying to do. We added the shock sensor to the factory alarm because what happens is on these type of vehicles or any type of vehicle that has a factory alarm only works if somebody opens the door. So nobody's going to do that. They're going to break the window and jump in. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So before you can take a baseball bat, destroy this whole truck, as long as you don't have open any of the doors, nothing will happen. I'm gonna go ahead and this is after the installation is done. I'll show you. Now if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole, it's gonna set off the alarm. I'm just gonna bang on it. You're gonna see that the shock sensor is gonna pick up the impact. Arm it again. I didn't hit it hard enough the first time. I'll go ahead and do the windows. Yep. Give it a few seconds. Actually, I'll do this side because a lot of people will ask us, you know, does it work on both sides? When you put the shock sensor, add it to the factory alarm impact sensor. Of course, it works the whole, from here up, the whole cabinet. Any banging they do, it fires off. Give it a few minutes, a few more seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and bang in this window, and that will set off the alarm as well. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Whoever has any type of car that has a factory alarm and wants to upgrade the shock sensor, or this particular same truck, the Toyota Tundra, it doesn't matter the year, as long as it came with a factory alarm system. I'm going to go ahead and bang in this window. In order to check, because a lot of people think that because they bought a car it comes with a factory alarm, and not every car comes with a factory alarm. In order to test it out, if you do have a factory alarm, you can start the truck, put the driver's window down, get out, close the door, hit lock. The window's going to be down, and then you're going to allow it, give it like 40 seconds because factory alarms have a delay. Depending on the car, it's something like 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, but give and take, I'll tell you, give it 40. That way, you know, you're 100% that you waited long enough. What happens is, since the window's going to be down, which I'm not going to do the test now because I already know it has a factory alarm. The window's down, you reach in from the inside and just pull the handle and open the door, and the alarm will fire off. The other way to do it is to sit inside the car, arm the alarm, but in Miami, it's about 95 degrees. You don't want to sit on a hot car, so that's why I tell you to do it from the outside. Okay, and that concludes the installation. If you open the door and you notice that nothing happened, most probably you don't have a factory alarm. Try the second time by backing away with the fob, because some cars, if it detects you too close to the vehicle with the remote, it might turn off everything. So just back away, put the keys like maybe 20 feet away from the vehicle, and then go in and since the window will be down, reach in, open the door, and see what happens. See if the horn starts honking. This particular customer did the test already. When he called us, we walked him how to do it, and he found out he did have a factory alarm. So we were able to add the shock sensor to the factory alarm. But if you do not have a factory alarm, it's not the end of the world either. I will have to install an aftermarket alarm, and then you will have to carry another fob around, which will lock and unlock the doors and everything. But you know, this thing makes you carry this because of the transponder inside for the push to start. So you will have another fob. This is from another truck he has, but you will have another fob if that was the case. But you know, a lot of these trucks already come with factory alarm. We just have to do the upgrade, and the end results will be the same as if you would install an aftermarket alarm. The doors will trigger the alarm, and any banging now, since he added the shock sensor, will be the same as an aftermarket alarm for the banging. So there you go. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Again, if you out of state, not to worry, you give us a call and we can guide you exactly how to get this installed as soon as possible. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.